Good morning. Today we're installing a pool tile. We're inside the pool actually. There's a little echo there. It's not a pool that is very deep, but it's about 6 feet deep. Anyway, as you can see right behind me, we have the tile installation going on. I'm going to talk about a little bit of the process. You can see the home behind me. So the architectural style is pretty modern pool. So what we wanted to do here is with the homeowner pick the right material and follow the architectural lines and the architectural design. So one of the things we do it's prepare the pool. So we did our bone coat, which you see in gray, where the water line is. So all that was prepped about a week ago when we installed the coping. So we floated it right, we let it dry and cure properly. Those curing times are so important. The Tile Council of North America has many recommendation installation of porcelain tile, for example, glass tile, etc. In this case, porcelain tile. We picked this tile with the client because it's minimalistic. It will not be a very shiny tile or anything. It's very unconspicuous, and it's going to look really, really cool once we have the grouting. So it's going to be blending with the color and the house, as you saw. So this tile is a ceramic tile, but the thing that is important for me to mention is that it has just a couple little dots that tie each one, and they're really flat. They don't make any voids or wobbly the installation. Those dots are used instead of mesh. The Tile Council of North America was mentioning have certain standards for installation of these materials. So the mesh is really not good because it covers a lot of the tile behind plus the glue. And you don't want that. You will not have a proper bond to it. Water may seep behind and create some voids, and ultimately, whatever that mesh is built of is going to dissolve with chemicals and water. Here we have 100% coverage. The material is going to be set. This installation is going to be the first one and the last one. It will not fail, and that's our intention. Guide our clients through the process, building a pool that is going to be sound, and also their shell will be protected, and they can enjoy this for many, many years. So this is the tile installation that I wanted to show you this morning. We're going to come back and do the grout later. Once it's dry, there's some curing times for the thin set as well. So the grout that we're going to use in this project is going to be an epoxy grout. Particularly about the epoxy grout is going to be that when the water is touching the tile, the grout will not change color, which is really nice addition into the architectural and the design. Once all the landscaping is done and everything back here, we'll show you a little bit more of the project once we get to that stage. But I wanted to show you at least this part of it, which I think is crucial, most important, where a lot of builders make a lot of mistakes. So this is what we're doing today on this tile installation. Again, very simple. Doesn't need to be a lot of the times a tile that is extremely expensive or flashy. This is just very elegant and minimalistic. It'll go very well with the architecture of the house once we have the final product.